In the last video, we talked about the volume of a sphere. We say the volume of a sphere is equal to 4/3 times pi times r cubed. In this video, we are going to talk about the surface area of a sphere. If you have this sphere with a radius r, to find the surface area of this sphere, it is S surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 times pi times r squared. So this is the formula of surface area of a sphere that you need to know. If you know this formula, the volume of a sphere and the surface area of a sphere, you should be fine. And you also need to know how to use them. Let's start with this example. Find the surface area of a sphere with diameter 10 cm given your answer in terms of pi. So let's begin with the formula of surface area of a sphere. It is S is equal to 4 times pi times r squared. We already have the diameter of a sphere. It is 10 cm. So the radius is equal diameter divided by 2. So r is equal to diameter divided by 2. R is equal 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So our radius is equal to 5. All we need to do now is plug in the value of r in the equation of the surface area of a sphere. S is equal 4 times pi times 5 to the power 2, 5 square. 5 square, it's mean 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So S is equal 4 times pi times 25. And if you multiply 25 by 4, that giving you 100. 100 pi, and the units, it's centimeter square. This is the answer of this example. And the answer is given in terms of pi. The example number 2 says, find the volume of a sphere with the surface area 144 pi. So to find the volume of a sphere, we need the radius of a sphere. So let's begin with the formula of surface area. S is equal 4 times pi times r squared. This is the formula of surface area. We already have the value of S is equal to 144. 144 pi is equal to 4 times pi times r squared. To find the value of r, divide both sides by 4 pi. So divide this side by 4 pi. Also this side divided by 4 pi. This will be cancelled. Also pi will be cancelled with pi. 144 divided by 4 is equal to 36. 36 is equal to the r square. So take the square root for both sides. Square root. This will be cancelled. So r, the radius, is equal. The square root for 36 is equal to the 6. So now we have the radius of the sphere. Next, let's writing the formula of the volume of a sphere. The volume of a sphere is equal to 4 over 3 times pi times r cubed. R cubed. Now, all we need to do here to plug in the value of r in this formula. Plug in the value of r in the formula of volume of a sphere. So V is equal 4 over 3 times pi times the value of r is equal to the 6. 6 to the power third. What's meaning 6 to the power third? It's mean 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 is equal to 216. V is equal 4 over 3 times pi times 216. If you multiply 216 by 4 is equal to the 864. So V is equal 864 over 3 pi. 864 divided by 3 is equal to 288 pi, and the unit here is cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. So the answer is 288 pi cubic centimeter. The example number 3 says, find the surface area of a sphere with a great circle that has an area of 4 pi centimeters square. To find the surface area of a sphere, we need the radius. So let's begin writing the formula of area of a circle. So the formula of area of a circle, it is A is equal to pi times r squared. We have the value of A and it is equal to 4 pi. The value of A is equal to the 4 pi is equal to pi r squared. All we need to do now to find the value of r. So divided both sides by pi. Divided by pi this side and also this side by pi. This will be cancelled. This will be cancelled. So 4 is equal to the r squared. Take the square root. Take the square root for both sides. The square root for both sides. This will be cancelled. So r is equal, the square root for 4 is equal to 2. 2. This is our radius. Next, let's write the surface area of a sphere. So the surface area is equal to 4 times pi times r squared. Now plug in the value of r. S is equal 4 times pi times 2 squared. 2 squared, it's meaning 2 times 2 is equal to 4. S is equal 4 pi times 4. If you multiply 4 by 4 is equal 16 pi, and the unit it's centimeter squared. So this is the answer of surface area of a sphere.